we are witnessing a profound metamorphosis, an unstoppable wave that is reshaping the investment landscape for those who hold the reins of capital. This is not a simple adjustment, but a truly silent revolution. A significant shift is moving the sharpest minds away from traditional investment paradigms, those that have dominated financial thinking for decades. A new urgency and growing awareness are evident. We're moving beyond short-term speculation, that frenzy that often obscures long-term vision. The horizon is broadening. The perspective is deepening. Seeking more solid roots, we're abandoning ephemeral market trends, those fleeting bubbles that promise quick gains but leave only emptiness in their wake. The search is now for something more substantial, more resilient. Capital today is directed toward investments that reflect profound, intrinsic, and non-negotiable values. It's no longer just about numbers, but about principles that guide every decision. The primary goal is no longer mere accumulation, but rather achieving a lasting impact. A legacy that transcends the bottom line, one that speaks of a significant contribution to the world. The concept of true value has emerged as the guiding compass in this new financial journey. It's not a passing fad, but a fundamental redefinition of success. Financial decisions are now intrinsically guided by this enlightened principle. Every choice is weighed not only for its return, but also for its ethical and social impact. This approach transcends the mere calculation of financial returns. It goes beyond the numbers, seeking a broader and more meaningful dimension to the investment. It inextricably integrates positive contributions to society. Capital becomes a vehicle for collective progress, an engine of widespread well-being. Likewise, it incorporates positive contributions to the environment, recognizing our interdependence with the planet. Investing also means protecting our common home. The focus is on specific sectors that promise dual benefits. Here, profit and purpose merge into a single, powerful vision. These sectors offer both robust financial returns and measurable positive impact. It's not a choice between one or the other, but a virtuous synergy. The first pillar is renewable energy, a central and essential investment area. Here, capital fuels the transition to a cleaner and more sustainable future. Consider investments in offshore wind farms, which not only generate clean energy, but also create thousands of skilled jobs and spur technological innovation. The second pillar is innovative technologies, those that drive the solutions of the future. From biotechnology to ethical artificial intelligence, capital here sows the seeds of progress. We envision funds that support startups, developing solutions for water purification or early disease diagnosis, transforming research into concrete hope. The third pillar is ethical projects, investments aligned with unequivocal moral principles. Here, money becomes an affirmation of values, a support for what is right. We consider microcredit financing in disadvantaged communities, which not only generate financial returns, but also empower entire families, offering them dignity and opportunity. The goal is no longer simply the accumulation of wealth, an end in itself. That limited vision is giving way to something greater. A new purpose emerges: to leave a meaningful legacy, a tangible sign of one's passing, not only for one's descendants, but for the entire community. We actively contribute to building a more sustainable world, an ecosystem in balance with human and natural needs. Every investment is a building block in this construction. We participate in the creation of a more responsible world, where prosperity is shared and decisions are made with foresight. It is a commitment to future generations. This epical shift represents a profound redefinition of the very concept of luxury. It is no longer simply a question of external opulence. Luxury is no longer defined exclusively by material goods, no matter how rare or precious they may be. Their luster is fleeting in the face of a deeper value. These are no longer exclusive experiences, however unforgettable they may seem. The ephemeral gives way to the perennial, the lasting. True luxury today is a positive impact that extends over time, a ripple that continues to spread far beyond our lifetime. It's the ability to shape the future. It involves investments that transform reality, that don't just observe or exploit it. Capital becomes an instrument of change, a catalyst. Affluent individuals are choosing to build a stronger, more resilient, and more equitable future. It's a conscious choice, an act of profound responsibility. This future is for themselves, of course, but above all for future generations. It is a legacy that goes beyond heritage, an indelible mark of progress. Every investment made is, in effect, a vote for the future we wish to see. It's a declaration of intent, an affirmation of values. It's a pressing invitation to think carefully about where your money is invested. Every dollar has intrinsic power, a voice that resonates. Every dollar spent, or rather, every dollar invested, is a declaration of intent. It reflects our deepest personal values and, ultimately, shapes the world around us. It's no longer enough to accumulate. Discernment is imperative. Earning isn't enough. Contributing is essential. The true power of capital lies in its ability to generate not only wealth, but also well-being, innovation, and a brighter future for all. This is the time to elevate our vision, to transform our capital into a catalyst for positive change. It's time to invest wisely, with heart, and with vision. The future isn't something that happens. It's something we build, one investment at a time. We choose to build it with intention,